Okay, thank you for watching. I was going to do a 5-part or whatever video, but I decided against that. We had a couple of people come through the open house and I just wanted to start it over because it was just getting too choppy and I don't like that. It's not the way I work. Anyways, so again, thank you for watching. We're at 28410 North 52nd Place in Cave Creek, Arizona, 85331. It's a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom, well, it's 3 full baths and 1 half bath. 4,000 square foot, just over that, built in 2011, but you wouldn't know it. It looks brand new. It's totally solid. It's immaculate, and I love it. We're asking 1.25. It's listed with Russ, Lyon, Sotheby's in Scottsdale. The Camelback Tower office, to be specific. And this is part 2. I'm going to do the upstairs here, obviously, and then I'll go outside for part 3. Part 1 was the lower level, as you can imagine. So we also have a 4-car garage here, which is awesome for this neighborhood. Here's one of the guest bedrooms. And I remarked before about how nice the floor plan is. And it truly is. So this is kind of off and separate from the others. So it's a perfect guest bedroom in the sense that if you have guests staying here, that would be great to have them in this room. They have the bathroom, full bath and shower right here, and it's separate pretty much from the others. You have separation here, which is the upstairs sitting room. More or less, it's large enough to be like a living room, really. And it's instead of a loft, they have this area here, so it's much better than open space to below. You can't really interrupt people downstairs when you're up here watching the game or doing whatever you're doing here. Best of all, behind this, you have an office space or flex room, whatever you want to do. Obviously, they have it set up as a really beautiful office. But you could have a gym up here or whatever it is that you want. It would also make a heck of a closet should you need that. I don't know why you would. There's so much closet space in the house. It's not even funny. This is the primary. So let's go through the primary first, and then we'll get to the other guest rooms. A lot of mature landscaping. You'll see that outside once I get to that point, but it's just beautiful. This whole house is so immaculate and so warm. And yes, I get it that they have really nice furnishings that help make it feel that way, but it just feels that way naturally as well. So here we have stand-up shower in the primary. Roman tub. It's not super deep, but it'll do. Really light and bright, as you can see. And then here you have walk-in closet. I don't want to go too far in, it's kind of personal, but it's large enough for plenty of items to be hung there. Here we've got, of course, the private water closet room, as we technically refer to it. So again, going that way is that spare, I wouldn't say spare room, but that would be the best use of an actual guest room that's coming for a stay. This is all organization in a hall closet here. Here we have another guest room. These are all really good size too. There's no real small, like, I don't know, if it's kind of a small bedroom. That doesn't happen in this house. This is unique. I love the paint job. That is really cool. That's Arizona as it comes. This one also has a large closet. It is a walk-in. It's a smaller walk-in. The biggest walk-in, of course, is in the primary, but it's fantastic. And now here you've got the bathroom that's shared for these 2 bedrooms here. You got the dual sinks. Private water closet room with shower this time. You've got just a stand-up shower over tub. Pretty standard. Beautiful finishes. And as the great Sir Paul McCartney said, let it be. And this is the sign that this should be your house, I suppose. I love the wood on the wall. That's a really nice touch. You rarely see that out here, unless you're in Flagstaff, I suppose. But again, it's just dolled up really nice. This one has a walk-in closet as well. And I'm going to end right here as somebody else is calling at the gate, but I'll get to part 3 downstairs in just a moment. Thank you for your kind attention and your patience.